Welcome to Majestica's Tarot, Capricorn. This reading is for you. If it does not resonate with you, don't try to force anything because not all Capricorns are doing the same thing at the same time. So, welcome to Majestica's Tarot. You can also follow me on Instagram for dailies. I try to get to them every day, but it doesn't happen, but I do my best. So we're going to do a past energy, a current energy, and a future energy. And we're going to do overall energy, 3 of Pentacles. So, looks like you're building. You're trying to build something or build something with someone. Yes. Or somebody's trying to build something with you. So with the past energy, I feel that you really didn't have a lot of love to give. You're more, you're mentally trying to do other things here. Like, you know, like maybe focusing on your job or, you know, other things besides love. You're not trying to focus on love right now. But because of that, there was a missed opportunity here. And I think that you know that. I just think you've been working really, really hard, maybe on yourself or and that's kind of what I see. You're kind of like just been working really, really hard on yourself. But you did miss an opportunity in the past. I don't know if you know that or not, but that's what I see here. Future energy, I kind of see a divorce here. And I see you having a lot of options, but you're kind of like walking away from all of these options because it's just not what you want in your life. Which is fine, you know. Some people, I mean, it's always good to work on yourself. Let's clarify a little bit here. Let's clarify this missed opportunity. Yeah, so I see it was very hard to make this decision, this opportunity. It was very hard for you, but you just didn't see that it was worth it. You didn't think that it would bring you happiness in your life, so you kind of like just was like, no, I'm gonna take a break from everything here. And I think, you know, love. You know, you're taking a break from love here. And I guess because maybe you're just now getting out of a relationship. Yes. I think it was very hard for you to accept this. In the beginning, it was very hard for you to accept that you had missed this opportunity. So you kind of had to just like de-stress yourself from it. I think that you just knew that you weren't going to get what you had put in. Well, you knew that you felt like the reason that you took it upon yourself to go away from this opportunity is because you felt that you were not going to reap the rewards from it, the fruits of your labor. You didn't feel that you were going to get back what you put into it because of what has happened in the past. And so, you know, it was very hard for you to accept this because you didn't know if you made the right decision or not. It was a very difficult choice to make. And I assume that's where this ending of love here has came up. And you decided to end it and walk away. Let me clarify. So with the ending of the love here, yeah, it's you were carrying a lot of weight on your shoulders. And you were fighting for something that you felt at the end of it, it wasn't even worth fighting for because you worked so hard. And you couldn't even see the future with it anymore. And that's, you know, so now that's kind of what's happening right now. Now you know, you're daydreaming. You're like, I have these options. What can I do with them? And you decide to walk away. You decide to leave. You're like, I can't do this anymore. You know, and it's very stressful. So you walk away and let's, yes. Yeah, you have a lot of courage right now in order of walking away, even though you feel that everything has run out for you. You feel like empty. You feel like, you know, you could lose possessions. You could lose money financially. Another thing here is there's a lot of lying going on here. A lot of lying. And I think you know that. Future energy, you know, you've left here and you're taking a break and you're looking back at all the hard work that you put in into this relationship, into this situation here. And you're just kind of looking and being like, I need a break. But you're seeing everything here and you're seeing what you could lose. And I'm not talking love-wise because that's already gone. That speaks for itself. But financially, you know, you're worried. And you're becoming very impatient. Becoming very impatient. You could even be becoming very angry about this because you are losing things here. All the work that you put in and financially, you know, it's like somebody's taking it away from you. Let's clarify. Temperance, please. So yeah, you stopped working really hard. I see something coming in for you with this Ace of Pentacles here. I don't know exactly what it is, but because you stop being, like, you started finding your balance again. So it gets to where you are like so angry, out of balance. This is just like stressing you out, and completely you stop worrying about it. You're like, you know what? We're going to leave this in God's hands, or we're going to leave this in the universe's hands. I wipe my hands of it because you can't take it anymore. It's stressing you out so much. But when you do that, I see an opportunity coming in with the Ace of Pentacles here. The Ace of, finding something. As soon as you let this go, as soon as you let it go, something comes in here. Wow. So don't stress, Cap. Wow. This is way too many cards. As soon as you let it go, because you feel trapped, and as soon as you let it go, somebody comes to you. Somebody's going to come to you and give you and make you an offer. And you're going to feel balance and peace again. You're still kind of hurting from the emotional part of this. But I see that you find so much balance that it's actually, you start having, kind of like tears of joy. You wish all this didn't happen because, who wants to go through, a bad situation like a divorce or the loss of a job or, just life-changing events here. But I also see tears of joy also. I think everything kind of comes to a halt and you figure out the lying about something, and it's hard for you to make a decision on just like emotionally letting things go. But I do see with this Queen of Pentacles here that you're going to take this offer and you're going to move forward in your life. And overall energy is the Three of Pentacles. I think you're rebuilding a new life for yourself. And that's great. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. If you like the reading, please click like and subscribe. Leave comments below if you like. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.